Hello, welcome to Protmex. Here we are again. I'm going to introduce another product of our company, Protmex. This is a weather forecast device. Just like the other devices, it has an indoor receiver, the outdoor sensor, adapter, and a manual. Well, I want to use the indoor receiver and show you how to use it without the adapter. You can simply touch the top and see how the backlight is on here, okay? It works with 2 batteries on the back. And if you want the constant backlight on, you can simply just plug it to the nearest socket and enjoy the constant backlight on. Great. So our weather forecasts have a lot of functions like indoor and outdoor humidity and temperature and daily alarm function, moon phase, and all these things. But what makes this product specific is the indication of days of the week in 7 different languages. As you see here at the bottom of the screen, you can see that it can change into 7 different languages, into English, German, Italian, French, Spanish, Dutch, and Danish. Now it's in English, I think. Okay, well, so we're waiting for your order. Hope you enjoy this cool product. Thank you.